Hey Wildcats, welcome to Thursday. I have a quick message today about somebody who you know through history, through her diary. A young Jewish girl, Anne Frank. She died at the hands of the Nazis in a concentration camp during World War II. One of the things that shone through with Anne Frank through her diary, her writings, was her tremendous belief in the human spirit. At one point she said, or she wrote, "How wonderful it is that nobody need wait a single moment before starting to improve the world." How wonderful it is that nobody need wait a single moment before starting to improve the world. Think about that, Wildcats. That was written by a child who died at the age of 15. We need not wait a single moment before we try to start improving our own worlds and the worlds of those around us. We can do that by simply adding value with love, encouragement, understanding. Wildcats, don't wait another moment. Add value everywhere you go with that love, encouragement, and understanding. It's a way to honor yourself, your families, and to honor somebody like Anne Frank. Wildcats, improve the world. You have it within you. Have a great day, stay well, and keep adding value.